Are you tired of eating the same healthy breakfast every morning? In today's video, I'm sharing 10 healthy breakfast ideas that are simple, delicious, and easy to make at home. These meals can help you start your day with energy and keep you feeling satisfied. So let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Loazimbata, and in this channel I create lifestyle vlog, cooking, baking, everyday life content, guys. So today's video is all about healthy breakfast ideas. If you have been looking for healthy, easy breakfast ideas every morning, I've got you covered, guys. So let's jump into it, guys. So the first breakfast idea, everyone knows this one, is scrambled eggs with whole wheat bread. So it's toasted. So why I choose this, because eggs are rich in protein, which helps keep you feeling full. Whole wheat toasted bread adds fiber and supports steady energy throughout the morning, so you can eat this one. The second one, I think, it's plain Greek yogurt with fruit. So if you don't eat like plain Greek yogurt like me, it's not like I don't eat it, but like I don't like the taste. It tastes sour, so I just eat like the regular yogurt with the fruits. Yeah, but it's still gonna give you like the protein. Fruit adds vitamins and mineral, yeah, but all those things, and sweetness, natural sweetness. And then the third breakfast ideas is oats with banana and cinnamon. Oats are high in fiber, and bananas provide potassium, and cinnamon adds flavor with extra sugar. So guys, for me, I don't really like oats that much, but like if it's healthy, you can eat it, guys, and I can eat it because it's healthy, not because, yeah. And the fourth breakfast ideas is peanut butter on a toast. Yeah, toast, and then with banana. You can mix with any fruit you want, banana, strawberry, can taste better. Peanut butter contains healthy fat and protein, while banana adds natural carbohydrates for energy. If you have allergy with peanut butter, you can ungagcobisa isinkwa sakho, yabo, noma with any like butter, like anything, but like as long as you get food, guys. So, and then the fifth breakfast is I usually do like every morning. It's fruit smoothie. You can blend your plain Greek yogurt or with milk, because for me I usually use milk with banana and berries like strawberry, blackberries, and yeah, but you can add spinach, you can add like anything you want for just a quick breakfast that you can just and then go to work fast, fast, fast. The sixth breakfast ideas is avocado toast with boiled egg. Right, guys, that one is good, guys. Eating avocado toast is good. You can add with your eggs. Eggs, they provide like protein, as you know, and then avocado provide healthy fats, and then yeah, so you can balance the meal. But guys, I won't lie, that avocado toast, it's good, even if you didn't put like the boiled egg, but that it's good. You can try it, guys, it's good. So, and then the seventh idea is cottage cheese with fruits, guys. I hadn't eaten cottage cheese, so I want to start eating it. So cottage cheese is cottage cheese. Oh god, English. Okay, cottage cheese has high protein, and you can put those fruits that you want. Add, of course, fresh fruits provide add fiber or anything. So, but I wanna try cottage cheese with fruits. I heard it start, but like I know it's in the book. So And then the eighth breakfast idea is a vegetable omelette. It's good, guys. Yes, it's good, guys. So with vegetable omelette, you can add any vegetable you want, tomato, spinach, peppers, like anything you want, and you can add your eggs, yeah, both for fiber and nutrients. So that one is good too, and it's so good, guys. You can try it, guys. If you wanna stay healthy, guys, this year let's stay healthy. So 9 is like the cereal, like the whole. I think the whole cereal. This one are all grains and cornflakes. Those are cereal that are good with milk. Those ones you can choose those ones between, like, I think all grain and cereal and cornflakes, yeah, because they don't really have more sugar in it. They don't really have, yeah, both. So you can, and if you choose a cereal like cornflakes or all grain, they that have high fiber, or how it's add sugar, is still convenient for breakfast and still healthy. And then the last one is homemade breakfast wraps. Guys, you can make your own wraps. You can fill you can buy them or you can bake them, depending on what you like. Yeah, and then you can fill them with like eggs, spinach, like anything that is vegetables. You can choose your own fillings, your own filling, not fillings, but like your own filling that you want, because wrap is good. So guys, if you enjoy, guys, these are my 10 healthy breakfast ideas that I have, which, so I want to know which one would you try this week, and then let me know. Don't forget to comment, guys. And then if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with someone which need those breakfast ideas. I'll see you next video tomorrow, guys. It's still 30 days. We are going hard, guys. Still 30 days. We are going forward. This 30 days challenge is very hard, but like we're going forward. So guys, enjoy. Bye.